Hi guys, welcome back to another exercise video with me, Koivumaa. And today we're going to try to make interesting effects using salt and a spray bottle with water in it. First off, we're going to start with applying water with a spray bottle. I'm using my left hand here to cover the other areas of paint. And now I'm going to apply some salt. I'm now speeding up the video a little bit and letting the two areas in the bottom dry up a little bit. And right before it's about to lose its shine, I'm doing the exact same procedure over again. Anyone painting watercolor will sooner or later figure out that timing is one of the most important ingredients in painting with watercolor. This time I waited for about a minute in between each areas. Can you see a difference? If you look more closely, you'll see that there's a big difference between the areas where I used a spray bottle. I think there's a lesson to be learned here, and the lesson is called timing. In the top right corner, the paint was still really wet when I applied the spray from the spray bottle. And in the bottom right, I waited until the paint almost dried out. What a difference. So next time you paint, don't forget timing. I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did. See you later.